All right, so this is the Worldpackers tutorial. So at the top, you'll see the language you can choose, help, and how it works. If you want to get more into detail about how it works, we have the Worldpackers logo and we have wish lists. So you can save volunteer experiences into wish lists. There's messages inbox for when the hosts message you. And then we have some notifications, your profile, booked trips, experiences and reviews, account, sign out. You won't have this, but I'm an affiliate with Worldpackers, so I have a dashboard. Now, this is what you really need to know is the volunteer opportunities. So you'll want to click on volunteer opportunities. And as you can see on the left, we have destinations. So you can literally look at all the Worldpackers. I mean, it's all over the world that you can choose. So program types, work exchange, social impact, eco program, highlights. So you can click some opportunities that have a higher chance of approval or that have top hosts, opportunities for couple and pairs if you want to do it with a friend or with a partner. Purpose of the trip, we have availability, so you can select which month you're interested in doing a Worldpackers. How do you help, skills, host type, you could do a hostel, homestay, farm, NGO, whatever that is, guest house, farm stay. All of this is available for you. Private school, the possibilities are really endless. And then the style, you can contact with nature, not connect, contact. So if you want to contact nature, wow, look at this. This is stunning. Not to get off track, but I mean, this looks beautiful. Help us build our house, barn, and keep our Airbnb cabin beautiful. Gorge. Sorry, let me not do that. Okay, so let's say you want to go to Europe, okay? Because everybody wants to go to Europe, okay? So it shows you all these countries in Europe that have some Worldpacker availabilities. What we can do is we can also sort by destination. So let's say you want to go to Spain, right? And then what we'll do is we will sort by highest ratings. We want the highest ratings. So let's see, this hostel looks great in Granada. So what we'll do is we'll go here, and so you can see they're a top host. There's a higher chance of approval. You can connect with international travelers, immerse yourself in the local culture. They accept couples and volunteers. So this is kind of the breakdown of what you can expect from this Worldpackers. So 20 hours per week, they're looking for a kitchen hand, someone to clean, someone to do housekeeping. What you'll get 2 days off per week, so you'll be working 5 days a week. You're going to be in a shared dorm, and all of these amenities come with doing this Worldpackers. Now, the availability, as you can see, they're pretty much really available in February, and you have to stay at least 4 weeks, up to 2 months. And as you can see here, what's not included? Usually this is always not included. So flights, travel insurance, internal transportation, and visa. And then we can click more on the experience a bit later. And as you can see here, these are all the people that have experienced this. So you can go to the reviews. They have 50 5-star reviews, and we can just read through all of these reviews and get a sense of what people thought about the experience. So I'm going to go to learn more about the experience. And so here's where you'll get better insight. So there's a little paragraph, kind of lays out what you'll be doing. And we can see, again, what's not included and program details. So some cleaning and housekeeping experience is a plus, some activities in the shift, and then rules. Let's say that you like it, you can apply now. So when you do apply, it'll give you the rundown again of what you're going to be doing, the hours and your days off, stay at least 4 weeks. So you'll put what day you'll arrive on and what day you'll leave. Are your days flexible, yes or no? And mainly what the questions are is going to be: introduce yourself, tell us why do you want to collaborate with us and what do you hope to learn. And then usually another question that I find mostly is what experience do you have doing the following tasks that we're asking for, and if you have never done the tasks, then why are you the best person for this position? So just be sure to kind of have a good answer for those. And so you'll basically fill this out, you'll send your application, and then you will wait, and they have about 4 days to reach out to you and get back to you. Now, sometimes they do expire. If the host doesn't get back to you in 4 days, it will expire. But they can always reach out to you after it expired. And then you'll see ongoing. And if the host declines you, then it'll say closed. So when it's closed, you can't really communicate, but when it's expired, you guys can still communicate. And then ongoing, of course, you're just ongoing. So we will see. And that is basically what you mainly need to know about the site.
If you want to join Worldpackers, then be sure to use my promo code. It'll get you $10 off of your $50 a year membership. And if you want some medical travel health insurance with Genki, then you can use my code here. And I hope that you have a great Worldpackers experience and that you stay safe, you have fun, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and bye.